नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बच्चों। A very good morning to all of you. I am Om Prakash, Assistant Professor from Department of Mathematics under Department of Science and Technology, which comes under Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. I am here with you for enlightening the orientation program of your course. It is well known to say that the education is not filling a message, but lightning a lamp. It is more information than information. It is more formation than information. It is not only knowing few hours, that is reading, writing, and learning. It's enlightening oneself, identifying oneself, exploring oneself. So, needless to point out that the aim of education is not merely a question of some information. It is in spirit of devotion towards the cause of humanity. Dear student, all of you are welcome to the new academic session 2020-21. I am coming here and I am counting on you to make this a best year at JVW Jaipur in the various programs such as BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, MCA, BTech, diploma program, etc. We are here to support you at every step of your life. We are glad to have you baggage to continue your journey towards the betterment of your life. As you start new academic year, take advantage of many services available to help you to achieve your full potential. Remember that the library and the career services are here to help you. I encourage you to get involved to participate in various opportunity indicated hosted by the Student Development Authority in the campus life. We supporting you in center to our mission at Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University Jaipur. We are here to guide you as you will become the best version of yourself. And you know very well that this university comes against Swachhata ranking to award in 2019, and this is the first national private university, state private women's university in India. Now here I taught you discrete mathematics under the stream MCA first semester. Once again, नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बच्चों. Now, before taughting you anything, I will say you discrete mathematics is the subject of mathematics which are taught in various disciplines, which are also useful in computer science, and you are also the student of computer science and doing master degree in computer application. That means master in computer application. And this course is designed for first semester students. There are various planning. That means first of all we plan a lesson, and I'm going to describe some basic terminology. The lesson planning is defined as the planning of daily session related with a particular unit of a subject to be covered by the teachers in a specific school period for the realization of some stipulated instrumental objectives. It is a sort of theoretical jogging out of the details of the journey which a teacher is going to perform practically in the classroom along with the student. These are some steps of lesson planning. First one is the preparation. That means I prepare what I have taught today, and then presentation, and that means we present what we want to taught and these things, and then study their application part. These are the components of a lesson plan. That means in any lesson plan, some components are there. The first one is instructional objectives, and then previous tested. That means last class what we have to taught, and then introduction and announcement of the topic. That means what we have studied today, and then presentation. We present all these things. If we are in face to face, then we present all these things in black or whiteboard. After that, recapitulation, and then finally give some home assignment. Now, this is a subject of generally science, but also taught in computer science, and is a subject of mathematics. Discrete mathematics is the subject of mathematics, and it is an applied portion of the mathematics which are taught in basically CA first semester student. First of all, I will show you some the curriculum of this course. In your MCA first semester curriculum, the total credit is 42.6 and the total hour is 518 hour in this semester. In this semester, we have taught you lot of the subjects in which especially I taught you the mathematics paper, which are discrete mathematics, and discrete mathematics is nothing but the 6 credit paper, which are fully theory based, and lot of other papers are there. You can see here all these paper, and here also the theory paper is for 1 credit is equal to 10 hour, and for practical 1 credit is equal to 20 hour. Now I'm going to show you the details of your syllabus. In your syllabus, MCA first semester, I taught you discrete mathematics, which I already told you later. This is the 6 credit paper, which contains 60 hour. That means I will already told you theory paper will be count as 1 credit is equal to 10 hour, and practical paper will be counted 1 credit is equal to 20 hours. In your first unit, I will see some relations, permutations and combinations. In relations, we see the basic concept of the set theory, which the first unit is fully fundamental. This contains various types of sets and relation, multi-sets, operations on sets, and properties of relation, representation of relation, equivalence relation, clause of relation, method of contradiction, and then permutation and combination, in which we have studied some basic principles such as pigeonhole principle, principle of inclusion and exclusion. After that, I will see you in next unit, in which I taught you the Boolean algebra, posits, and lattice. This is fully computer-based theory paper. In Boolean algebra, I will see the matrix, sets, and lattice, in which we have studied the partial order set, poset, building elements, well-ordered set, lattice, principle of duality, bounded, distributed, and compounded lattice. And Boolean function and expression, proportions and additional calculus. And after that unit, that means unit 3, I will see the graph theory, which are very helpful in computer science paper. The graph in graph theory, we see the basic introduction of the graph and various types of graph, path of graph, circuits, Hamiltonian path, circuits, Hamiltonian path and circuits, trees, tree sampling trees, Descartes' prism and Kruskal algorithms, finite state machine, deterministic finite, and then finally deterministic finite automata theory. Some books are suggested of you can see. First one is the Rosen, which title of the book is Mathematics and its application, which are TMH publications. You can purchase any edition of this book. And next one is the Discrete Mathematical Structure with Application to Computer Science, which are McGraw-Hill books. And the author of this book is Trimble. And next one is the Nursing Wave. The last one is the best book. I suggest you, if you want to purchase, then purchase this one. And the book name is Graph Theory with Application to Engineering and Computer Science. And for recommended book, you can purchase one more book, CLD. The name of the book is Events of Discrete Mathematics, which is also pretty much revision. Here some links are provided, which shows the relation of this topic, that means discrete mathematics, with the else and literature, or you can say history of the mathematics regarding Boolean algebra, or we can say discrete mathematics. No, this session is powered by the digital version, you can do that in Advanced University Jaipur. And I hope all of you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you for watching my this video. Thank you.